Hello beauties, welcome again to Wendy Styles. Today I have this perfect short haircut for women. If you really want that short style with options, or you want that kind of hairstyle that will give your crown that ability to create that look that will always suit your fashion sense and your lifestyle needs, then you are in the right place. So with the right tools and products, anything is really possible. I just want you guys to please sit up and watch this video to the end, because we have those beautiful short hairstyles that are cool ideas for beautiful black women, and this natural hairstyle will definitely look modern and classy. Okay, take a good look on this haircut. One of the best tips to always remember, like when it comes to this hair, is just sometimes just let it be. Because sometimes when you load your hair with products or trying to mold it into different shapes, can sometimes result in some lackluster looks. So instead, just use a little bit of your hair product. It can be the MIELLE kit that costs for $7 or $20, or you can try the koi sauce or the dose or even the cow's daughter. We have another one which is using your eco gel and your coconut oil. So using this kind of little bit of product on your hair can sometimes turn your focus onto playing your facial features with items like maybe using some lashes and some highlighters to really give yourself that look you want. So sometimes it's always good to have a haircut that's looking so beautiful as this, because it will always make eyes to turn in every occasion. And this iconic short hairstyles that are modern, and one thing with this haircut is that it will always take many years off your age, and it's a versatile style, and it's a haircut that will always complement your facial features, and it's an enviable look that will really give you that eye-catchy attention you have. So if you have an oval face or a round face, even a square or angular face or whatever face shape you have, this haircut definitely will give your face the softness it really wants. So I'd like you guys to please watch this video to the end. Let me know your minds on how you feel about the styles. I appreciate everyone, my returning subscribers, my new subscribers. God bless you guys, and still explore the styles for more beautiful short haircuts coming your way.